Good afternoon, one and all. I am Dr. Satish, consultant pulmonologist, TX Hospital, Uppal. Opportunistic infections in HIV patients, majorly lung involvement present. Mortality and morbidity, most of the HIV patients due to opportunistic infections in lung. In various types of infections in HIV patients are bacterial, viral, fungal, tuberculosis and parasitic infections. In this bacterial, Streptococcus and Staphylococcus and PCP pneumonias are major types of bacterial infections present. In tuberculosis, MAC infection and Kanasai infection and MTB infection, tuberculosis infections present. In parasitic infections, toxoplasmosis is the major cause of mortality, morbidity in HIV patients. And fungal infections like histoplasmosis and cryptosporidiosis, the major cause of lung infections in HIV patients. In HIV infection patient, we have to evaluate and diagnose the major role for HIV patients, like history and clinical signs and radiological findings and lab investigations. Major part for diagnosis of opportunistic infections in HIV patients. In history, coming to history, first part to inquire latest CD4 count. Next part is any opportunistic infection ongoing treatment. Third is on combination of ART. What are the combination ART he is using? Then coming to signs. To evaluate the systemic infections like oral cavity, skin examination and foot examination and eye examination and nose examination. Coming to radiological findings, various types of lesions are present in the lung radiology, like cavitatory lesions to diagnosis TB or fungal infection, or in lung infiltrates and cavities and nodular lesions and perihilar lesions to rule out PCP pneumonias and pleural effusions. These various radiological finding in HIV patient. Coming to bronchoscopy, to accurate diagnosis of opportunistic infection in HIV patient, bronchoscopy is a key role to rule out TB and PCP pneumonia and NHL or Kaposi sarcomas. These types of investigations to rule out opportunistic infection in HIV patient. Thank you.